Hi, I am Jenica and in this video I'll be explaining the solution to video homework 3.
So here is the question where the the hill is represented by the graph of this equation, and the point at which we are standing is 60 comma 40 comma 966. And in the question it's also given that in the positive x direction is the direction east, and in the positive y direction is the direction north. So the first part of the question is, if you walk due south, will you ascend or descend? So for to answer this question, we need to find the uh, directional derivative in the on this on this curve. So this is the formula for directional derivative, where a u is the direction, it is the unit vector in the direction, and a and b are the components of u. And so it goes like this: f of 60 comma 40 would be equal to d of 1000 minus 0.005 x square minus 0.01 y square dx. Now now since this is due south, the unit vector would be equal to 0 I minus j. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. So at last we have the equation to be minus 0.01 x into 0 plus of minus 0.02 y into minus 1, which is equal to, now this would be equal to 0, and this should be equal to 0.02 into 40 into minus 1, which gives us 0.8. So as we can see, this is positive. So here, if you walk due south, you will be ascending, and at the rate of 0.8. Now coming to the second part of the question. So here we are walking northwest. So northwest, the unit vector is minus 1 by root 2 I plus 1 by root 2 j. And in for This question too, we are supposed to find the directional derivative, and here it is which will be equal to minus 0.01 into 60 into minus 1 by root 2 plus minus 0.02 into 40 into 1 by root 2, which gives us 0.6 minus 0.8 divided by root 2, which is minus 0.2 by root 2, which gives us minus root 2 by 10. So since this is negative, you will be descending at the rate of root 2 by 10. Now coming to the third question, we are asked in which direction the slope would be the largest. So we are aware of the fact that the slope would be at the largest, that is the directional derivative would be at the largest if it is in the direction of the gradient vector at that point. So the gradient vector at that point, the point here being 60, 40 would be equal to dz dx I plus dz dy j, which is 0.01 into 60 minus 0.02 into 40, which gives us minus 0.6i minus 0.8j. So this is the direction in which the slope would be at its largest, and the rate of ascent is equal to which gives us 1. So the rate of ascent is 1. Now we are also asked the angle above the horizontal of this path, and for that we just need to find tan inverse of which is tan inverse of 4 by 3, which is equal to 53 degrees.